Reg, here's your 427 small block Ford. Just got done running it. Give you a description of this combination. It's got the Edelbrock manifold on it. It's got one of your Holley 750s. MSD Pro Billet. It's got our cylinder head on it. One of our new custom ground hydraulic rollers. It's got your front end on it there. Iconic. Make sure it alternator charges and everything. Take you in there, show you it ran. Alrighty, 3500, it's 512 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 535, peak horsepower 517. Runs really good, rated at 500, it's got a front end on it, so everything's great. We'll get in a crate, come your way, have a great day.